love me some K-Beauty sunscreens. It speaks to my soul. We go together real bad. It's that one X that got away. So you want to grab onto it because it's always sold out everywhere. Hey guys, can you guys believe we're in the last days of 2023? I can't say this is insane enough, but here we are. I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas celebration with your loved ones. I'm still wearing green because we're still celebrating, right? We're still celebrating. The holidays are over, but is it really over? Because y'all know we take celebration to the next year, right? Christmas tree stays up. I don't have one set up today, but next time hopefully I do have one. But you know, Christmas tree stays up till what? January, probably February for some people. Comment below whenever you take your Christmas tree down. But anyways, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be talking about some of my favorite products for 2023. Some of these products are old. They're not all new products in 2023. Just some of them are good old ones that have come to stay. Tried and true ones that are going to be here for a while. And I am loving them. And I really wanted to do this video. We might make this a thing on this channel where we just talk about my favorite products end of the year, just so you guys know what products I have my eyes on. I'm going to try to recommend products for both oily and dry skin. Keep it very simple. I also considered price throughout this video. Some products are going to be one and done. They're going to be great for both oily and dry skin, sensitive skin, all the things. So yeah, let's not waste too much time. I hope you guys continue to have a wonderful celebration with your loved ones, and let's get into the video. So the first step in any skincare routine is cleansing the makeup, especially if you have makeup on. And for that, I recommend a wonderful cleansing balm. You want to use a cleansing balm that's very good for your skin because oils have affinity for oils, and a lot of our makeup and foundations and concealers, they all mostly have oil in them. So you want something that has that affinity for makeup. Usually a cleanser can do the job because it does have oil as well. But when you have a product that mostly has oil content, it easily helps to slough off most of the makeup, so that way it's easier for the cleanser to really go into the pores and make sure that it's removing the makeup from deep inside the pores. And this is usually why people will see themselves having like breakouts, because the products wasn't fully removed from the skin. Highly recommend using a cleansing balm. For this, I recommend Inkyless Oat Cleansing Balm. I love this because one of the main ingredients is oat kernel, which is really great for moisturizing and hydrating your skin, which is really essential because you don't want your skin to be dehydrated while you're cleansing. The whole point is to keep your skin really supple and soft. There's also colloidal oatmeal, which is really popular in a lot of Aveeno products. This is a great ingredient for really helping to reduce any irritation that could happen from the makeup or whatever else that you're using in the skincare. So I really like this product. It's under $10 and it's just an all-around amazing product that works for any skin type. Next, we're going to follow up with an amazing cleanser, and I love the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. This one has a short ingredient list just like I like it. I'm not a fan of long ingredient lists. I think every formulator should know how to formulate any product, really any product, in under 15 ingredients. I think that makes you a wonderful formulator. Sure, there's outliers to that depending on the product. Just working in the industry, I feel like you're doing the most when you start going over 20, 30 ingredients. It's just overkill, and I think it's just like not necessary. Now, these products will both be hydrating as well as reducing oil. It has niacinamide in it, which is great for doing that, as well as really mild surfactants that won't strip your skin. There's also glycerin to really keep that skin hydrated, so I really love this product. If you want a little bit more hydration from your cleanser, then the Cetaphil Gentle Face Cleanser is an alternative. If you have more drier skin, especially this winter time, it's getting drier out. If you want a little bit more hydration, this would be a great one for you, because in addition to glycerin, there's also panthenol, another wonderful humectant to really keep that skin hydrated. If you really want a lot more hydration and you need help with that skin barrier, and your goal is just really targeting like a damaged skin barrier, then I recommend CeraVe's Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser. This one also has glycerin, sodium PCA, and tons of other humectants like hyaluronic acid, as well as ceramides are essential for the skin and in repairing the skin barrier. Now, moving on to serums, I'm going to recommend a serum with vitamin C because why not knock two birds with a stone? For oily skin, I recommend Geek and Gorgeous 15% vitamin C because it has a lot of rich ingredients in there. It also has ferulic acid, which is a wonderful antioxidant that will help stabilize vitamin C in there, as well as increase its antioxidant properties like brightening effect. So I really recommend this one. And if you have more drier skin and again your issue is working on that skin barrier or damaged skin barrier, I recommend CeraVe's Skin Renewing Vitamin C Serum because this one has all of those three ceramides like I talked about in my last video on vitamin C's up here: ceramide MP, AP, and EOP. These three ceramides help to really repair that skin barrier. Now for moisturizers, if you're on the oilier skin type like me, I love this moisturizer. Vichy's Numerderm, I think is their new line. Their Numerderm moisturizer. This one has salicylic acid to help declog that pore, remove any form of buildup that can potentially cause acne, and it's oil free. I ran through it so fast and my skin just loved me for it. You have dry skin or just really irritated skin, Skin Fix Triple Lipid Peptide Cream is a must. Listen, a must. Like, there's a reason why it's won so many awards, like Allura's Best, so many different awards. This one also has all of those 3 ceramides I talked about earlier, AP, MP, EOP, as well as peptides to really work on the collagen levels on your skin to repair that skin barrier, increase its elasticity and strength. There's also a lot of emollients like jojoba seed oil. I mean, this cream has it all. It's got it going on, okay? It's that one X that got away. You know what I mean? So you want to grab onto it because it's always sold out everywhere. It's amazing, amazing for dry skin. And finally, for sunscreen, I really try to find an American brand. I really try to keep it American, but I had to go my K-beauty route because I love me some K-beauty sunscreens. It speaks to my soul. We go together real bad. We're like 5 and 6, so I had to keep it in that lane. For oily skin, I recommend Beauty of Joseon. Their Moist Sun Serum has no oils. It's amazing for oily skin. My skin is dewy and moist. Like, it's just everything that I've ever wanted from a sunscreen. But if you want, you know, less of that moist dewiness, then I recommend the one from Innisfree. I really also love that one. Now for dry skin, a little disclaimer, this one does have a white cast if you are darker skin, but I really love this one from Coco Kind. It has their SPF 32 mineral sunscreen, amazing with essential fatty acids to really work on that skin barrier. Kopari is also really a good one if you're worried about a lot of white casting if you're darker skin like me. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. These are some of my favorite 2023 products for dry, oily, sensitive skin. I just really hope you guys find value in some of these products. And listen, you don't have to listen to me. If there's some products you've been loving for your whatever your skin type is, please share below and also share your skin type. This channel is not just for me to recommend to you guys. This is very much a collaborative channel. So please share below so that I can also check it out. Somebody else might find value in your comments. So please, let's be interactive on this page. And that's really my goal for 2024. I want us all to be a ball of just like amalgamation of ideas, you know, just having a wonderful dialogue over here. So please comment below and let me know what you think and what products you've loved for 2023. I would love to hear it all. I live to hear about new products that I probably don't even know about. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been so fun. I can't wait to have so much fun with you guys in 2024. 2024 is going to be crazy. I can't wait to have so much fun with you guys. There's going to be so much more content on this page. Fingers crossed. Yeah, I can't wait to just do fun things with you guys and just have more of like a wonderful collaboration with you guys. Can't believe we're almost at 50k subscribers. Insane. So many more of you guys on this page and I'm so happy to have you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Please subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys very soon.
It's not for me to say.